Hi there. So, key for my Mazda 3 has finally given up the ghost. Figured I'd change it and invite you along for the journey. You have to excuse the fact that I look like a state because I have been in the garden all morning and I am covered in splinters and probably got leaves in my hair somewhere. Anyway, here we go. You need to flip it up. Ordinarily, you would get something like a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to tilt the camera down, hang on. You would get something like a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife and prise this part, the top part, up. Mine is completely broken. I'm going to have to tape this. I actually dropped it this afternoon, so that was a bit of a bummer. Yeah, so take that piece off. I've got a tiny little pinprick screwdriver, and you'll see this part here, this will separate and come into two pieces. So if you put it in the top part and literally just prise that apart, this will come, hang on, give it a squeeze, that will come out into two pieces like so. Try your best not to get these buttons out, because if you do, you'll see, hang on, let me take it out. Once all this comes out, it can be a nightmare to put it all back together again. Don't know why I just did it. Honestly, sometimes I question myself. It's like a piece of a puzzle. You have to kind of, I don't know why Mazda decide to put things in so many pieces. It's so damn fiddly as well. I really do not have the, oh fuck, this is why we don't do it. I'm doing it so you don't have to. And then that piece goes in somewhere. For God's sakes. Do you know what? I'm going to end up swearing. I've promised myself I was not going to swear on this video. But you know it might happen. Oh, for fuck my actual life. This is why you don't do it, alright? Prime example here. See, why couldn't this be all one little piece that fits in? But oh no, Mazda need it to be 3 pieces. No, 4 pieces. I'm bad. No need at all. And they're so fiddly. Like, my fat fingers should not be doing this. This has turned a 2-minute video into like a 20-minute video by the time I actually get this piece in. Ah, there we go, hang on. Is that top bit or that bottom bit? Oh, I don't know, that bit I think. Oh dude, what's going on? Okay, positive piece first. Then this stupid white thing. And then you've got to balance it in place carefully. Then this bit that's kind of rubbed off, I think is next. Or is it that bit? Oh my life. Why do they both say positive? Oh. At this rate, I'm just doing this for comedic value. Okay, that bit goes there. You're just going to have to figure this bit out for yourself, because seriously? The chances of me holding this up to the camera, showing y'all, without me dropping the damn thing again. Hang on, wait a whole second. Oh, that bit goes there, that's why. I was putting the wrong bit in. I think. Wait. Look, we're done. Oh, look like that. Stupidly fiddly. Don't do what I just did. And then this bit. Which way? Goes that way, I think. I'm not even sure it did go that way. Hang on, let me just line it up. Yeah, it goes that way. Honestly, I forget what I'm having it for. Right, battery. I'm changing it. It's a CR 1620 3-volt. Ay. Right, get your little pinpricky thing, stick it in there, ping it out. Okay. Sorry I had to pause that video. I had a guinea pig trying to get up my leg. My boys free roam in the lounge, and the neighbour had started mowing the lawn, and I think he got a bit scared, bless him. So we've shut the door. We're having a cuddle. Yeah. Want to say hi? Yeah. Oh, bless. You're mummy's boy. Yeah, so this is Harry. My daughter named our guinea pigs Harry and Louie after One Direction. You're mummy's boy. Yeah, after One Direction. Certainly not my decision. My baby's calling. We did have, as a Louis, but recently Louis passed away. So we have a baby we've just adopted. It's about 13 weeks old, called Marv. So it's now Harry and Marv from Home Alone, The Wet Bandits. So, okay, let's try and put this battery back in, shall we? Battery goes in, flat side down, clip it under that little metal piece, and it clips right in, okay? And then you want to make sure you've lined up the top. This little clip, you just clip under the silver part, and again it will clip straight in. I think it's supposed to flash for a little while, I don't know. It's still flashing. Anyway, once it's in, you can clip this piece back into place. I will take mine, like I said, but yeah, all done. And yeah, sorry about the use of those technical terms there, and yeah, for meeting my guinea pigs quite unexpectedly. All right, cheers, bye. Don't eat that. Hey.